Infographics have the potential to change the way we tell stories. However, creating compelling infographics is difficult. Making them stand out is hard. If you're not a skilled designer or an expert storyteller, designing a high-quality infographics becomes nearly impossible. But now, even with zero prior experience, anybody can create persuasive infographics with a strong emphasis on storytelling and design. Allow me to demonstrate using these statistics. 20 million slices of bread are wasted every day in the UK. There are 3 steps we have to follow. First, we need a way to represent this information visually. So let's head over to ChatGPT and enter this prompt. You are an expert in visual storytelling. Give me a visual idea to represent 20 million slices of bread. After reviewing the first result, I asked ChatGPT to make the visual exclusive to the UK. From the generated results, I selected the idea of slices of bread suspended in the air, then navigated to BingAI and entered this prompt. 20 million slices of bread suspended in the air at varying height to create the map of the United Kingdom. And these are the images generated by Bing. So, I downloaded this one to my PC, imported it to PowerPoint, removed the image background, and this is the final result. To further impress upon you just how much you can achieve with this technique, let's experiment with a more complex example using this prompt. Give me visual idea for 1 million single-use plastic drink bottles are purchased every minute. And here are 10 visual ideas from ChatGPT. After going through all 10 suggestions, I'll pick number 5 and 7 and match them to number 1 to form this prompt. Let's go over to Bing and run the prompt. After a few seconds, we have 4 results. I'll download this one, go over to PowerPoint and make some adjustment to the image. First, I'll remove its background and open Designer for design suggestions. And here is the final result. And that's how you can generate infographics for your presentation. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.